Hello there, I'm Brian. I recently painted a vintage Formula V with a throwback livery and I want to show it off. It's based on a car my dad ran in the late 70s, early 80s. Signal green paint job that I never was around to see. I was born in 1984. His first car I remember him running was just a bland white Predator chassis that he built in the basement, boring paint job. This one I really liked. I had seen pictures of it in the 1980 Chicago Auto Show. My mom made a stained glass piece out of it. It was in Road America's promotional calendar poster for 1981. It looked good. I wanted to recreate it, and my uncle Rich Styczynski was kind enough to let me on his 1970 Lynx B that I'm racing in the VSCDA, which is a Midwestern vintage motorsports group. It has a large competitive clean racing Formula V class. So I wanted to paint it up with all the defunct sponsorship and all. I built a paint booth in the garage with PVC pipe and plastic sheeting. I made it positive pressure using box fans and air filters. I had never really painted before last year. I got started buying Craigslist helmets for $5–10 and painting them using cheap airbrush. To me, paints in the little bottles I would get from the model train stores. Hung out at a lot of little model train stores, good times. I painted the race helmet that I wear. I just finished my dad's race helmet. I did this car, this Lynx, with the Solar Sources livery. I'm currently restoring a 1981 Yamaha Noped with the same paint scheme, so should have a lot of this signal green and blue going around. So the following is going to be some pictures of the original car from I'd say 1980, 1981 season. I think most of the pictures are from the original zinc, and some pictures of my paint process, some pictures of the finished car, and some pictures of it on the track, along with some helmets. So enjoy.